Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun makeup, I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, if you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed whatever time we end up spending together. If you do not subscribe, I will put all my shitty divorce energy onto y'all. I'm gonna do it anyways because okay, but anyways, this is my first time playing with makeup in about a month. I kind of update a little bit. Also I cut my hair. But we played with the Secret Garden palette from BellaBeauteBar. We played with some of these little gorgeous shimmies right here. Just absolutely having a good and fun time while I go get ready to go be a hot bitch on the town. So if you want to see how I ended up creating this look right here, kind of wonder where I've been, even though I don't really touch on a lot, then let's get into it. Hi, welcome back to myself. I have cut hair, I'm single, I'm back here. I'm excited for this. I'm excited to play. I'm going out tonight, so I thought let's do a little video. Let's venture into this again. I really want to play with like this stuff that I have. It's called Green Wizard. It's from BellaBeauteBar. It's like some loose glitter, and I really want to play with the Poison Garden palette because I think this would be a lot of fun to maybe pair with, you know, that loose glitter. Obviously the Glimmer Grass from Unearthly. Just a lot of stuff that I really just want to like dabble in here and, you know, look hot and sexy and go be a bomb ass bitch out on the town. You know, I've had some bullshit go on and it's incredible bullshit. So let's do makeup. Let's feel hot. Let's have hot girl summer. Let's do this. Do have some flowers right here. I got them. They're kind of like dying because I forgot to put them in the sun. But Walmart has pretty cheap ones, so that's what I've been doing. I'm really excited to do this. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to go watch everybody's videos. I haven't been on YouTube for like a month, so I'm just really excited to dig into everything and see everybody, catch up, all the good stuff. But yeah, let's get into this. So as always, I do have my eyes primed with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer, and then I set it with the Maybelline Fit Matte Poreless. I almost said shampoo. Translucent powder. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm fried. It's been. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. I'm excited to play with some makeups. Again, this Poison Garden palette is just everything and more. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling using like this and like this, but pairing it with, I think, like that Bleeding Heart shade right there, and maybe wait. Let me go grab another palette. And I think we're gonna bring in the Secret Garden palette, also from BellaBeauteBar. Oh my goodness, this bad bitch right here. Just because I think using this like bright, hot pink sparkle is just gonna be bomb. Again, I want to be the hottest bitch on the town. I already am. See how my confidence is back? No, but I'm not. Yeah. Weird. But yeah, I think that's the vibe. I'm gonna be wearing a white tank top. I'm gonna be wearing like light baby blue jeans. I think that's gonna be the vibe. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that rose shade right there from the Secret Garden palette. I'm gonna go in with my Repre 13. I haven't even really started, but oh my god, does it feel good to be back. I'm gonna take that into the crease area right here, just ever so slightly and lightly. Oh, you have no idea. You have no idea. Oh my god. I'm not gonna get into it because it's not worth my time. It's not worth my energy, but just know that men fucking suck. Full on fucking. It's not just they suck, it's full on fucking suck, okay? Like they're assholes. But guess what? I'm a hot ass bitch. I'm an amazing person. I have an incredibly huge heart. I have so much love to give, and I'm such an amazing person. And I don't need to lower myself to anything. I can be a happy person. And my happiness does not need to depend on others. And I do not need to allow myself to be degraded all the goddamn time. Just because of some good moments. But yeah, we're taking that rose shade into the crease right here, just bringing it in. It's so pretty. I love pink on my eyes. It's so good. It's so good. But yeah, I'm thinking we do like pink, and then we do some like darker purple, whatever, like mauve-y shade from that. Maybe this, and then, you know, it's like my go-to eye, okay? Like, stop judging me. I do want to go in with a little bit of that strawberry shade right there, though. And again, still the same brush. Just a little bit under right here, and then right here. This is, like I said, this is my go-to eye. But that's because I know that it's gonna work. You know? Like these, putting pink and green together, it's always gonna look good. It always is. And I'm ready to be the hot bitch that I know I am, and to let her come back. She left for a bit, and it's time for her to come back out. Just be there. Like, look at that. Look at that. That's, Okay, we're gonna switch over to the Poison Garden palette now. We are gonna go in with that Bleeding Heart shade right there. Again, still same brush because why not? I'm just taking that into right here. How was everybody's 4th? Mine got rained out because, you know, Minnesota can't ever let me have any good thing. But I had a good time. We had a bunch of food. It was yummy. There was no deviled eggs, which I'm like really extremely depressed about. I really am. We're gonna go in with my Glimmer Grass from Unearthly Cosmetics. We're gonna plop that into here. We're gonna have a good time. I'm thinking we play with these, like I said, but I'm also really wanting to bring in some of these Secret Garden shimmies because they're just absolutely everything. And I'm not wearing my white tank top yet because I came up with the idea that I'm a messy bitch, and I'm not gonna put that on until I'm like ready to go, or I'm done with my makeup, just in case I like drop or get foundation on it or anything. But yeah, going in with the Glimmer Grass from Unearthly Cosmetics. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of the Liquid Chrome in Venus. Again, BellaBeauteBar. It's just all of what today is. We're gonna take some of that and we're gonna plop that right here. I'm just using the applicator for now because why not? We're putting a good amount on, okay? A good freaking amount. If you know anything about me, you know that I love. Love is an understatement. Glitter, okay? I absolutely love and adore glitter. I love shininess. I love shimmies. I want it everywhere. So we're gonna let this dry real quick, and then I'm gonna go over it like a bunch of other stuff, okay? This is just the base. And now that I have that a little bit dried down, just so then you know I can close my eyes, we're gonna go in with this Green Wizard Loose Shimmer, whatever, glitter, whatever. I can't remember what it's called. I am, however, going to be buying more of this. I'm gonna plop this on my face, okay? We're gonna plop this all over right here, okay? We're gonna plop it in. I'm using my Refer 21 for this. And I'm just putting it on where I did put that liquid chrome for now. Both of this is from the Green Goddess collection from BellaBeauteBar, which I need to play with more. I am gonna do a BellaBeauteBar palette bingo here coming up. That was my plan before I had to go on my hiatus, but it's going to happen. Okay, that, yes. We're getting there. I see some things. I love glitter, okay? Stop looking at me like that. So my dudes, I think we figure out the inner corner, and then we maybe figure out whatever glitty we're gonna be putting in there. Inner corner. What are we feeling, my dudes? You know, I feel like we maybe bring this into the inner corner and we keep the other shimmers here lighter. I think that works. Okay. Okay. Then I do kind of have like an idea of what I'm going to be popping in here. So I do think I'm going to go in with that green shimmer right there called Oasis on my Refer 21. Are we surprised if you've been here? No, we're not. Taking that and then plopping that right here. It's right in there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with whatever that pink brush was, the Refer 13. Just bring that pink a little bit more forward here, just outlining it. And then we're going to go back in with that green wizard little sparkly bowl right here. Taking that and bringing that over where that was. Is this going to be a lot for a small town hick bar? Yes. Do I care? No, because again, hottest bitch to ever exist, so why the hell would I not? Okay, I'm going to leave it at this for right now, possibly. I do kind of want to add a little bit more of that dark strawberry shade right there out here just to, you know, deepen it out. Okay, because I think that's, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details, you know, like we'll go all over it. We'll talk about if I do any eyeliner, all that good stuff. God, it feels good to be wearing makeup again. When I tell you how good this fucking feels, oh my god. Okay, all my confidence is like come back. I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. I feel hot. Let's go over some details real freaking quick, my dudes. Okay, so I went in with this Strawberry Nebula blush from REM. It is a satin matte one. It looks like this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I went in, where is that, with this NYX Vivid Rich liner in Emerald Empire down here. Little smoky moment. I went in with two highlighters, two ones that we're probably not surprised about at all. I first started in with the Coca-Cola highlighter from Glamlight. I absolutely love this one. It has the pink undertone. I freaking love it. It looks like this. It's just everything and more. And then I obviously went in with the Blend Up Bunny Noctilucent. If you've been here, you know I love this one. Hence why mine looks like this, but I went in with whatever is left of that green shade right there. And for lip, I went in with this So Juicy Plumping Balm, whatever, in Frozen from ColourPop. I don't know. I just thought it was a little bit simple, a little bit of something, because I do really like how my natural lip color looks with this, but I think it is such a vibe. Let's get into this under eye, because you know, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do the whole goddamn thing. I don't play. I don't just ignore it. Most of the time I bring it all in. We are gonna be bringing these bad bitches down to the bottom. Yeah. Ooh, just, oh my god, I'm fucking feeling myself. I'm sorry for all the F-bombs, but like, it's been a bit since I felt attractive, so I'm feeling myself, so just back off. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that rose shade to start with. I'm gonna take it on my Refer 03 here. I'm gonna take that along the lower lash line about halfway. Maybe a little bit more. You guys you don't even know how good it feels to be in just a shitload of makeup right now. Like, I feel good, okay? I feel good. We're gonna go in with that strawberry shade right there now. This is in the Secret Garden palette, sorry. And I'm gonna use my Refer 23 here and just smoke out right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Glimmer Grass. We're just gonna pop a little bit down there. I'm gonna be bringing that down there, okay? Like, come on, okay? Okay. And then I am gonna go in with the liquid chrome in that area. Gonna be very, very delicate. Obviously, like, not obviously, but like my eyes are really bad anyway, so I don't care if I get it in there. But just taking that and bringing that in there. It's kind of just gonna be your base for stuff. Oof. I am going to be the hottest person there. And I love it. We're gonna go on for the ref for 21 and just kind of like buffer that out a little bit. And there's a little bit of glitter like left on this, so like it helps. And then we're gonna go in with the green wizard little glitter stuff right here now, because I'm so excited. We're gonna go with my ref for 23 and just, you know, plop that in there. Okay, and then I think for the inner corner, we're gonna go in with that Oasis shade again, because yeah. I'm going in with my Refer, what is this? Refer 03, and popping that into the inner corner right here. Oh, that's, yep, Okay, I'm gonna go plop some mascara on the bottom lashes, and then we're gonna talk some of this over. I love this. I love how this looks. I feel so freaking bomb, so freaking glowy. Just, I feel so goddamn hot, and I freaking love it. I love how this turned out. I'm so glad that I paired this stuff together, that I used it all. I just, yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving how I looked. Yes, I did shimmy my titties. It's the goal. Okay, it's the goal. But yeah, this is a little look at the look. If the lashes are not glued down, it is what it is. But yeah, this is the look. I love it all. I love the highlight. I love the colors. I love everything paired here together. I've done this eye look so many times. I love pairing pinks and greens together and doing it like this. So like, this is not a new thing on my channel. This pairing is, but yeah, I've done this before, but I love how this looks. I love the dramaticness of everything. Like, I feel hot, and I'm ready to go be a hot bitch on the town and not have to pay for my drinks, because glitter tits, it is the way to get free drinks. Okay, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm super happy with this. I look just and feel just so freaking amazing. So just feels good to be back. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. I love and appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for staying while I was gone. It means the absolute world to me. So just thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it so incredibly much. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. It is 2025. Pull your hair to your ass and do freaking better. Remember, take enough water, enough food, you know, all that good stuff, and you know, just not being a horrible person. Okay, it's not that freaking difficult. A lot of y'all are just idiots, so just, yeah. And remember, morals over makeup, because some of y'all gotta get this through your head. But anyways, I'm gonna probably get something in my body before I get some alcohol in there, and you know, take some bomb ass pictures of myself, because I need a new profile picture with this cute ass hair. So yeah, there's that. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.